Deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man.
Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Byers, the author of the book Molding a Man. Today I want to talk to young men, and the question I want to ask them is, what is your very first purpose in life? If you don't know, I think I can answer it for you. So check out my channel, YouTube/Richard Byers, Molding a Man, and the playlist Purpose. I think you'll find the answers I have there for you very intriguing. It may help.
Let's be real, guys. Money matters. It's the gas in the tank of life. You need it to make things go. Without it, you're stuck on the side of the road watching everyone else zoom by. Financial literacy is your roadmap to success. It's about understanding how money works. It's about making smart choices today for a brighter tomorrow. You want that dream car? Financial literacy gets you there. Dream house? Financial literacy builds the foundation. Freedom to live life on your own terms? You guessed it, financial literacy is the key. It's time to take control of your financial future. It's time to get financially literate. Remember the saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Same goes for your income. Relying on just one source of income is risky business. What happens if you lose your job, or an unexpected bill pops up? Having multiple streams of income is like having a financial safety net. It's about diversifying your income. Think of it like having a financial plan B, C, and D. This way, if one stream slows down, you've got others to keep you afloat. More income streams equal more security and more options. It's the path to financial freedom and peace of mind. Want extra cash without the 9-to-5 grind? Side hustles are your answer. They're flexible, fun, and a great way to explore your passions while padding your wallet. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? Turn your skills and hobbies into a side gig. Love photography? Become a freelance photographer? Good with your hands? Offer handyman services? The possibilities are endless. The internet is your oyster. Online platforms make it easier than ever to find clients and start earning. Investing might seem intimidating, but it's the real secret sauce to building wealth. It's about putting your money to work for you, not the other way around. Think of it like planting a tree. The sooner you plant it, the bigger and stronger it grows over time. The same goes for investing. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to compound and grow. Don't worry, you don't need to be Warren Buffett to get started. Start small and learn as you go. There are tons of resources available to help you make smart investment choices. Section 5. Building your financial fortress. A step-by-step guide to your portfolio. A financial portfolio is like your own personal money-making machine. It's designed to generate wealth over time, working tirelessly in the background to help you achieve your financial dreams. Just like a machine, it requires careful planning, regular maintenance, and strategic adjustments to keep it running smoothly. It's a collection of investments that work together to help you reach your financial goals. These investments can range from stocks and bonds to real estate and mutual funds. Each component plays a crucial role in the overall performance of your portfolio, much like the different parts of a machine. Think of it like building a house. You wouldn't start construction without a blueprint, and the same goes for your financial portfolio. You need a clear plan and a solid strategy to guide your investment decisions. You need a strong foundation, sturdy walls, and a solid roof. In the context of your portfolio, the foundation represents your initial capital and risk tolerance. The walls are your diversified investments, and the roof is your long-term financial goals and security. Your portfolio is the same way. It requires a balanced approach, combining various types of investments to create a robust structure. Regular reviews and adjustments are necessary to ensure it remains aligned with your financial objectives. Start with a diversified mix of investments. This could include stocks, which offer growth potential, and bonds, which provide stability. Diversification helps to spread risk and can lead to more consistent returns over time. Bonds, real estate, and more. Real estate can offer both income and appreciation, while other assets like mutual funds and ETFs can provide exposure to a broad range of markets and sectors. The key is to spread your risk and maximize your returns. By not putting all your eggs in one basket, you protect yourself against significant losses. Each investment type reacts differently to market conditions, so a diversified portfolio can help smooth out the ups and downs. It's like having a financial safety net. This safety net ensures that if one investment underperforms, others can help offset the loss, keeping your overall portfolio on track. If one investment takes a hit, the others are there to cushion the blow. This resilience is crucial for long-term financial stability and growth. A well-diversified portfolio is your ticket to long-term financial security. It's not just about making money, it's about building a financial fortress that can withstand the test of time and market fluctuations. With careful planning and regular reviews, your portfolio can help you achieve your financial goals and secure your future. Section 6. Learning the ropes, your path to financial wisdom. Becoming financially literate is a journey, not a destination. The good news is, there are tons of resources available to guide you along the way. Start by reading books and articles on personal finance, listen to podcasts and watch videos from financial experts, take online courses or attend workshops. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Talk to a financial advisor or mentor. The more you learn, the more confident you'll become in managing your money. Remember, financial literacy is a lifelong pursuit. Stay curious, keep learning, and always be open to new information. Section 7. Skills that pay the bills. Turning your talents into cash. In this section, we will explore how you can leverage your unique abilities and passions to create a lucrative career or business. Having marketable skills is like having a golden ticket in today's economy. These skills open doors to numerous opportunities, allowing you to navigate the job market with confidence and ease. These are skills that are in high demand and can lead to well-paying jobs or even your own business. Whether you are looking to climb the corporate ladder or start your own venture, having the right skills can make all the difference. Think about what you're good at and what you enjoy doing. Reflect on your hobbies, interests, and past experiences. Often the things we are passionate about can be turned into profitable ventures. Do you have a knack for technology? Are you the go-to person for fixing gadgets or solving tech problems among your friends and family? Consider a career in software development or web design. These fields are constantly evolving and offer numerous opportunities for growth and innovation. Plus, they often come with the flexibility to work remotely. Are you a people person? Do you thrive in social settings and enjoy building relationships? Sales and marketing might be a good fit. These roles require excellent communication skills and the ability to understand and meet customer needs. They can be highly rewarding both financially and personally. Love working with your hands? Do you find satisfaction in creating or fixing things? Skilled trades like plumbing, electrical work, or carpentry are always in high demand. These professions offer job security and the opportunity to work on a variety of projects, keeping your work life interesting and dynamic. The key is to identify your strengths and find ways to monetize them. Take the time to assess your skills and consider how they can be applied in different industries or roles. Invest in yourself by learning new skills or honing existing ones. Attend workshops, take online courses, and practice regularly. The more you invest in your personal and professional development, the more opportunities you will create for yourself. Remember, turning your talents into cash is not just about making money. It's about finding fulfillment and purpose in what you do. When you align your career with your passions and strengths, success naturally follows. So take the first step today. Identify your talents, invest in your skills, and start your journey towards a rewarding and profitable career. The possibilities are endless when you turn your talents into cash. Section 8. Unlocking your future. The power of financial freedom. Financial freedom. It's not just about having a lot of money, it's about having choices. It's about living life on your own terms, without being held back by financial stress. Imagine waking up every morning excited about your day, not dreading your job. Imagine having the financial security to pursue your passions, travel the world, or simply spend more time with loved ones. That's the power of financial freedom. It's about taking control of your finances so you can live a more fulfilling and meaningful life. And it all starts with financial literacy. Section 9. Take control of your money. Take control of your life. This section is all about empowering you to take control of your financial destiny. Financial literacy isn't about being good at math or memorizing financial jargon. It's about understanding the basics of managing your money so you can make informed decisions that will benefit you in the long run. It's about taking control of your financial future. By learning how to budget, save, and invest, you can create a stable financial foundation that will support your goals and dreams. It's about making smart choices today so you can reap the rewards tomorrow. Every small step you take towards financial literacy is a step towards a more secure and prosperous future. It's about building a life you love, free from financial worry and stress. Start by educating yourself, create a budget, pay off debt, and invest wisely. Develop marketable skills that can increase your earning potential and explore multiple income streams. Diversifying your income sources can provide additional security and open up new opportunities for growth. Remember, financial literacy is a journey, not a race. It's important to be patient with yourself and recognize that progress takes time. Take it one step at a time, and don't be afraid to seek help or advice when you need it. There are many resources available to guide you along the way. Celebrate your progress along the way. Every milestone, no matter how small, is a testament to your hard work and dedication. The future belongs to those who prepare for it. By taking control of your finances now, you're setting yourself up for a brighter, more secure future. So, take charge of your finances and unlock your full potential. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Embrace the process, stay committed, and watch as your financial confidence grows.
Hello everyone. Life is very short, but if we had great information that would help us navigate through this life in a much faster, much better way, that would be a great thing. And I have 4 books that I believe will help young men become great men. So look it up, don't hesitate. Just look at the books, see if they have information in there that'll help you become a great man. It'll help your son, mothers and fathers, for him to become a great man. Life's too short, and if you get information fast enough, you can enjoy life much better. My books will help you do that, I believe. 4 books every young man should have. The first book is Molding a Man, where it goes from adolescence to college, talking about all the things a young man should be doing in order to become a great man. The second book, 10 Steps for a Young Man to Become a Great Man, goes through all the things a young man should know about that'll help him become a great man. Third book, Code of a Man, which lets a young man know what being a man is all about. And the fourth book, Molding, Making a Woman, lets a young man know what he needs to look for in a woman to make her worthy of being a wife. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video. I'll see you on the next one.
Endless job, good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they